Guys, one of student asked me, sir, can I put a name as a reference in JBMS MHID form? So which way make me made this video. So reference is very important feature in lot of B schools application, in lot of jobs as well. Is trust me, not yet common in India. Abroad, everywhere they will do a reference check. Okay, there's 100% reference check abroad. इंडिया अभी ये कंसेप्ट आया नहीं है, इंडिया में आएगा. So let's talk about who can be a referee, whom you can take a reference. First of all, my reference will not work because I am a coaching classes ka owner. I am your informal teacher. I'm not a formal teacher for you. Yeah, so unfortunately you can't show my reference point. So recommendation or reference, whichever you want to say, is reference or recommendation, is by number one, a college professor. Yeah, where you've done your graduation, MBA, whatever you've done, where you've done from that, you can ask the college ka professor to give that, HOD, anybody, and trust me, they do it. For them there's no problem. Sometimes they say कि तू लिख के ले आ, I'll sign. Yeah, this is what they used to do in our college. तुम लिख के ले आओ. नहीं तो you can ask your school का teacher as well. School का teacher will work. Anybody who have taught you in the last 5 years is someone who can easily give that. College ka please prefer. If you can't go back to the college, go back to the school days, it's okay. That is your number one point. Number 2 point, it can be your boss or any senior at work. Yep. Now if you're not able to get your boss to do that, because you're not telling your boss कि तुम MBA करने जा रहे हो, this and that, you can also ask your colleague, your batchmate, to do that. Yeah, we just need an email, or we just need a signed letter from him saying that yes, I know this guy, he have done good, he have done this. Yeah, don't write too much. For example, I'll give one example. One student, she wrote the reference. She is the number one student, she is the best student, she is world class, she is excellent, she is top class, she can fly, she can dance, she can sing, she can swim in water. इतना लिखेगा ना तो फेक लगता है. You check out any reference from a big shot, your HOD and all this, they will write his work was satisfactory, his work was good, bus. Yeah, they never use very fancy words. ठीक है, तो reference दो होना चाहिए. It can be from the college. If you can't get from college, go back to school day, or it can be from the employers. Parents, uncle, friend will not work. Yeah, most of the time they're not even counted as a reference. कुछ नहीं है तो you can put them, but please avoid them. Avoid these references, are not very good references because they are informal. These are the formal reference, because the moment family get involved, the bias come. Yeah, if you're working with dad ka company, yes, then क्या that dad के office you can show your dad का work ex, dad का recommendation. Otherwise, not required. All right. All right, I've created the link cetking.com/ref. cetking.com/ref. There I uploaded the complete detail, who can be your referee, who can be this. I also added a few sample references as well. So please check out that link, cetking.com/ref. Yeah, who को आना चाहिए, कौन नहीं आना चाहिए, everything is there with a sample as well. Yep, from employer, from other areas. Okay, cetking.com/ref. Please check out the link. All right, all the best.